Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimensions is dia 40 and 18. Pitch between circles 80 and 100 mm, and you can see it is on the top plane. Select new part. Okay friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select extrude, top plane, create circle, give the dimensions. Pitch is 80 mm and diameter is 18 mm. Create one more circle, that diameter is 40 mm. Give the horizontal constraint here. Select circle, create two circles, give the dimension 40 and 18 mm. Pitch is 50. Give the vertical constraint. Create one center line. Select this sketch. Select mirror entities, mirror about center axis. Select line. Create this side also same line. Give the tangent constraint. Select line again. Create sketch like this. Give the dimensions. This is 50 mm. This is 25. This height is 21 mm. Select trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select this line and this. Tangent. So that's it. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 15 mm. Next there is a two flanges both side. For that select front plane, sketch, normal. Select circle. First select convert entities. Select this line. Okay. Select circle. The diameter is 15 mm. Height is 35 mm. Create one more circle. The diameter is 40 mm. select line, give the dimensions here to here, mm. Give the vertical constraint here, select line, create line like this. Select trim entities, trim this unwanted lines. This one dimension not required. That's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude, select this face, here select offset 10 mm. So thickness is 10 mm, both are 10 mm. So sorry, this is 14 mm. Yeah, total 50 is there. In that each side 15 mm gap. Finish. Select this extrude, mirror, select the front plane. Next, last feature, select fillet. The dimension is 5 mm. Okay. Assign the material, go to appearances, metal. In the metal I will go with steel. In the steel, polished steel. Go to edit appearances, change the color, which color you want. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also if you required any drawing requirement, you can leave the comment below. Definitely I will revert back you, and also you can send the email. I will mail all the drawings for your practice. Friends, I am also requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support my friends. Thanks for watching this session.